Hello, my little explorers. Today we're going to talk about safety sensors that protect us at home. Did you know that a stove can cause a gas leak, a fireplace can release carbon monoxide, and smoke from a fire can appear unexpectedly? Luckily, we have sensors that warn us about danger. Let's see how they work and why they are so important.
Did you know that smoke, gas, and carbon monoxide detectors can make different sounds? It's super important to learn what each one means because it's not always an alarm signaling danger.
Kids, now focus. Here comes the first sound.
Did you hear that? If the sensor gives a single beep every few minutes, it means the battery is running low. Just replace it,
And the sensor will work properly again.
Now it's time for the next signal. Listen carefully.
a different sound, right? 3 beeps every 30 seconds mean that the sensor has reached the end of its lifespan and needs to be replaced with a new one.
Now get ready for the last sound, the most important one.
A loud, intermittent sound synchronized with a red light? That means real danger, like a gas leak, carbon monoxide, or smoke.
In this situation, you must leave the building immediately and call the fire department.
The firefighter is right. Sensor sounds are like a safety language. If you understand them, you can sleep peacefully.